Hey guys, are you want to buy best single rotor drone? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best single rotor drone that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Tercaso Drone, the portable drone with camera for adults is designed for effortless travel and exciting aerial adventures. Weighing under 250 g, it folds compactly and requires no FAA registration or remote ID, making it ideal for spontaneous flights. The 2K HD camera offers a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens, transmitting 5 GHz FPV video with high-resolution images, while built-in shock-absorbing technology ensures smooth footage even in windy conditions. Gesture control makes capturing selfies easy and fun. Equipped with brushless motors, the drone provides stable, low-noise flight with longer motor life, and the altitude hold system enables precise hovering. Safety features include overcurrent protection, one-tap emergency stop, auto-return on low battery or signal loss, and GPS-assisted location tracking. Multiple flight modes, race speed settings, and custom path drawing via app enhance the experience, while beginner-friendly features like headless mode and one-key takeoff make flying intuitive. Dual batteries extend flight time for longer adventures. Now our second product is Blinory Drone. The $55 Hong Kong GPS drone is a feature-packed, beginner-friendly drone ideal for capturing high-quality aerial footage. Equipped with a 2K HD camera and 90 degrees adjustable lens, it provides smooth, stable videos with 5 GHz real-time FPV transmission and built-in shock absorption. The drone's GPS auto-return function ensures safe flying, automatically returning if the signal is lost, out of range, or battery is low, while the $55 Hong Kong Drone Go app allows tracking on a map to prevent loss. Creative shooting modes like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, Point of Interest, and Gesture Selfie let users capture action-packed moments during hiking, skateboarding, or camping. Dual modular batteries provide up to 32 minutes of flight, supported by brushless motors for smooth, low noise, and long-lasting performance. Lightweighted under 250 g, foldable, and FAA/remote ID free, it's perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. Beginner-friendly features, including one-button takeoff/landing, headless mode, and stable hovering, make it easy for anyone to enjoy effortless, safe, and fun flights. Our third product is Bwine Drone. The Bwine F7 Drone is a professional-grade, FAA-certified drone designed for ultimate aerial photography and extended flight performance. Equipped with a detachable 4K camera, 120 degrees FOV lens, and a 3-axis gimbal, it delivers stable, high-resolution videos and photos, enhanced by 5x digital zoom for precise shots. With 3 2600 mAh intelligent batteries, it offers a total of 75 minutes of flight time, while a 65W fast charger ensures quick recharging in just 1.5 hours. Powered by an 1806 brushless motor and advanced sensors, the drone can reach 2000 m altitude and withstand L6 wind resistance, making high-altitude and windy conditions manageable. GPS functionality ensures safe flying, enabling auto-return on low battery, signal loss, or by one-key return, with advanced flight modes including Follow Me, Waypoint, and Point of Interest. The Bwine app allows live FPV sharing, social media uploads, and in-app editing with filters and music. The package includes the drone, 3 batteries, carrying case, transmitter, cables, propellers, and a 2-year warranty. Now number 4, Loiley Drone. The Loiley Mini Drone is a compact, travel-ready drone designed for capturing stunning aerial footage with ease. Featuring a 2K Ultra HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle, it delivers clear photos and videos that can be streamed in real time to your smartphone and shared instantly on social media. Its user-friendly controls include one-touch takeoff/landing, headless mode, gravity sensing, and upgraded optical flow positioning for stable, precise flight. Altitude hold ensures effortless high-quality photography. Lightweight and foldable, measuring just 5 by 3 by 2 inches and under 250 g, it's FAA registration-free and perfect for outdoor adventures, hiking, or travel. Dual rechargeable batteries provide up to 26 minutes of flight time, with built-in over-voltage protection and low battery alerts for safe flying. The package includes a portable carrying bag, propeller guards, spare blades, remote batteries, and 24-hour technical support. Loiley offers a reliable, safe, and enjoyable drone experience for beginners and enthusiasts alike. And our last choice is Loiley Drone. The X62 Mini Drone is a beginner-friendly, versatile drone designed for fun and safe aerial adventures. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera and an 80 degrees adjustable lens, it captures crisp photos and videos from a bird's eye view, perfect for selfies or inspecting hard-to-reach areas. Real-time footage can be viewed via the app, and gesture control allows for automatic photo and video capture. Dual enhanced batteries provide up to 25 minutes of flight, while safety features like emergency stop, propeller guards, low battery alerts, and child lock ensure worry-free operation. Lightweight, foldable, and FAA registration-free, the drone is ideal for both indoor and outdoor activities. It offers multiple control modes including remote, app, and voice, along with exciting features like 360 degrees flips, waypoint flight, circle fly, and 3-speed settings. Complete with propeller guards, spare blades, and detailed instructions, the X62 is an excellent gift for kids and adults seeking a fun, safe, and reliable drone experience. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video was really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.